So hi guys, welcome to our math tutorial 101. First, what are we going to talk about today? First, our lesson for today is polygons. So what about polygons? Polygons. First, a polygon is about shapes, I think. May it be complicated or basic shapes. Today we'll talk about what is a polygon. Second is how to find its perimeter and its area. Then, if it's a circle, to find its radius and its circumference. So today, I asked some of my friends to teach us how to solve for a polygon, a shape, or how to solve for the area, perimeter, radius, or circumference of a shape. So let's call them.
A polygon is a plane shape with straight sides. There are two-dimensional shapes. They are made of straight lines and the shape is closed. There are three types of polygons. The first one is regular or irregular. A regular polygon has all angles equal and all sides equal, simple or complex. A simple polygon has only one boundary and it doesn't cross over itself. A complex polygon intersects itself. Many rules about polygons don't work when it is complex. Concave or convex. A convex polygon has no angles pointing inwards. More precisely, no internal angle can be more than 180 degrees. If the internal angle is greater than 180 degrees, then the polygon is concave.
The sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degree. Since a quadrilateral is made up of two triangles, the sum of its angle would be 180 degree times 2 equals 360 degree. The sum of interior angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degree.
Today, I'm going to teach you on how to get the area of the parallelogram. We are given a quadrilateral. MATH is a parallelogram and we're asked to find the area. Remember that the formula for solving the area of the parallelogram is area is equals to base times height. As we can see, our base is 11, but we don't know the height, which is represented by segment A and H. To find the value of H, let's use the right triangle AHT, or the right side of the figure. As you can see, one of the sides has a length of 11, and since the opposite side of parallelogram are congruent, the hypotenuse of the right triangle must have a length of 15. Now we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the value of h, and we have 11 squared plus h squared is equals to 15 squared. 11 times 11 is equals to 121, and 15 times 15 is equals to 225, minus 121 in both sides. The answer is h squared is equals to 81, and put square root on both sides and you will get the height. Height is equals to 9. So, the height of the parallelogram is 9. Now, we can solve for the area of the parallelogram, which is area is equals to base times height. So the answer is area is equals to 99.
Here are some steps to find their area. First, using radius to find area. Identify the radius of a circle, then square the radius. Next is to multiply by pi, which is a is equals to pi r squared, approximately 3.14. The next step is using diameter to find area. First is measure the diameter, then divide the diameter in half. Then use the original formula for area, which is a is equals to pi r squared. Then report the value of the area. The next step is using circumference to calculate area. First, use the revised formula. Then, measure or record the circumference. Next, use the relationship between circumference and radius the formula. Then substitute into the formula for the area of the circle. Then use the revised formula to solve the area. Report your result. The next step is finding area from a sector of a circle. Identify the known or given information. Measure the central angle of the sector. Then use the modified formula for area. Then, enter the values that you know. Report the result.
In geometry, an octagon is an 8-sided polygon or 8gon. The internal angle of an octagon is equal to 135 degrees. All the angles added together is equal to 1080 degrees. To solve for the area is equal to 2 times the quantity of 1 plus square root of 2 times a squared. For example, where A, or the side, is equal to 4. A is equal to 2 times the quantity of 1 plus square root of 2 times 4 squared.
You can use a scientific calculator to solve for the area. Or you can solve it manually.
A is equal to 77.25 inches. To solve for the perimeter, P is equal to 8 times A. For our given, A is equal to 8. P is equal to 8 times 8 is equal to 64. So our perimeter is P is equal to 64.
Guys, we're done for today. Thank you for my friends. And before I end this video, of course, I would like to thank everyone who watched this video. Then everyone who sends me the videos that I compiled to teach all of those who wanted to learn about polygons. So yeah, polygons. And of course, we learned so much for today. And I would like to mention all those people who helped me to come up with this video. Aldridge, Baldos, Cedrix Alfonso, Jiliana Magsakay, and Lopez. Thank you very much for sending me those. And of course, Christien Cruz, who wrote something about the steps on how to find the radius and the circumference of a circle. Yeah, and yes, guys, please continue to subscribe and learn more about math. Subscribe button down there. Yeah. Thank you, and wait for more videos to come. Bye!